Welcome to Raider Trading, automated day trading software that scales with conviction, de-risks with precision, and turns volatility into profit. Over the weekend, the U.S. carried out a major military operation in Iran, and that kind of geopolitical uncertainty tends to continue the fear and selling pressure we've already been seeing. The market's been cold for a few weeks now, and when conditions are like this, I've found that running the software in short mode gives me a much higher win rate. Cold market, short bias, it's been working. Today we had TMD Energy gap up on strong earnings, going from under $1 to over $3 pre-market. When a stock gaps up that hard from under $1, there are a ton of limit sell orders sitting above $1 from bag holders who have been waiting to get out. So right before market open, I flipped on short mode anticipating that selling pressure would cascade once the bell rang. And sure enough, as soon as the market opened, sellers started hitting the bid and the software was already positioned for it. What's cool about this clip is you don't see one big dramatic flush. Instead, the software just works the price action, adding shorts when the signals fire, de-risking around break-even when momentum stalls, and taking bigger profits on the impulsive moves down. It's methodical. It's not trying to be a hero on one trade. It's managing the position the whole way through. I let short mode run for about 15 minutes and it scaled to almost $2,000 in profit, and what you just witnessed is the entire clip. No edits, no cuts, no cherry picking. This is exactly what it looked like in real time. If you want to try this for yourself, there's a $1 trial linked in the description. And if you were one of the first 10 people to reach out, I'll give you 3 months of free access. No strings attached. Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's raid.